A lot of things are on the move, man. Home Depot, Lowe's, Sony, GM, Ford, Workhorse, PENN, CRON, it's a marijuana stock, it's a good stock. BTG, gold stock, good stock. Zinc, CIXI, tech stock, good stock. Lilly, you know what that is. And then that bottom stock is a gambling stock, cheap one. Like DraftKings, but cheaper. And we got big money up here. Netflix, Microsoft, eBay, XLV, INO, DraftKings, Pfizer, GE, Palantir. Big money. Things are on the move though. Zoom. I mean, Zoom is running up a lot, but definitely Lowe's and Home Depot. I always get up early. I watch the investors and I see what the investors are buying into and what's moving every morning. 5:30, I wake up and I watch the investors, see what they're buying and how the day's started. Very important. If you don't do that, you really don't get a sense of where the market's gonna go. Early bird catches the worm. Big money. Netflix.